Welcome to the Porter and York kitchen. I'm Kevin Shockey. You know me because you've heard me on KJR. This is a beautiful piece of fish.
This is a wild Alaskan salmon fillet.
And what are we doing with it today?
Today we're gonna make one of my mom's should-be famous salmon recipes. Only has 8 ingredients, turns out well every single time.
Awesome, let's get started.
Let's do it. First, we're gonna start with some onion. Hand me that cutting board over there.
And when you pass a knife, you want to pass it knife first, right?
Dangerously as possible.
Perfect.
And while I'm doing this, you can go ahead and grab a bunch of garlic. We're gonna use the whole thing. Chop that guy up. I'm gonna grab some lemons for us.
Look at you cutting a little better than last time I saw you doing that. All right, not bad. Good, right. Anything else?
Nope, so that looks good.
Sweet.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go back here and turn this guy on.
Fire?
We're gonna first saute the garlic and onion down and then melt the butter into it, and that's gonna be our topping.
All right, what else?
So I'm gonna have you pick that guy up.
All right.
I got some foil over here we'll throw down. We're gonna put some lemons down. This is to help pull the skin away after it's cooked.
So now that we have that in there, I think it's time for some spices.
Kind of pick your favorite. I like to go with a salt, pepper, very similar base because your garlic, butter, and onion is gonna add a lot of flavor to it.
Beautiful.
All right, so we got that on there. So now we're gonna grab some more lemons and we're gonna throw those right on top. So we're just gonna kind of layer these on there and space them out a little bit. All right, let's head outside.
All right. Welcome to the outside of the Porter and York kitchen. We got our salmon, we got the grill, we got our lovely butter, garlic, onion mixture, and let's get rolling, huh?
Let's do it. Go and set that on the side over there and open this bad boy up. We're just gonna lay this down.
Like a glove.
Just enough room. Now go ahead and just layer that right on top there.
So am I just gonna pour, you think?
You can pour it, just go one side to the other and try to get it pretty evenly spread out. There you go, just try to get a little more on the back there.
How's that?
That's perfect. Hit,
all right.
hit a little bit more down there. Just want to get it fully covered so that butter can really soak in.
All right, it's not perfect. What do you want? I'm not a professional.
Beautiful, that'll do.
Cool.
Perfect. Now we're gonna close it up and check it here in a while.
Awesome. All right, we're outside. It's been a little while. So how are we gonna take this salmon off the grill?
All right, before we take it off, we're gonna take a look at it, make sure it's done. So what we're looking for is kind of this white fat to come all the way through. You're gonna get some browning from the butter around the edges. To make sure it's done, we're gonna cut into it, which for a lot of people is a big no-no, but with salmon, it's actually okay. We're gonna start right here in the belly section. And we're just gonna cut it down the middle.
Really?
So when you pull it off, you're just looking to make sure it's that kind of whitish pinkish color, cooked all the way through, and we're good to go.
That is some beautiful salmon right there.
So you'll see just a little bit in here. You got a little bit of redness in there.
Sure.
That just probably needs another second or two. So we'll go ahead and bring that in and then we'll come back out in just a minute. So we're just gonna take a little bit of this parsley that's chopped up and we're just gonna give it a little garnish.
It smells delicious. That looks pretty good, more or less.
That looks great. All right, well, cheers, let's eat.
Awesome.